here today to celebrate the new facility that we've opened, our Scunthorpe depot, which we're really proud of. We're also having a ride and drive event with our customers to show them the new innovation and technology that we're producing with the aero cab and the electric vehicles. The ride and drive is a really good opportunity for the customers to experience the new vehicles, see the new latest innovation and technology, and experience the new cabs, new options that we have available as well to the customers and the driver comforts, as well as obviously try the new exciting electric innovation that we've got available.
We have a close working relationship with Volvo and Crossroads, and we were invited up to the grand opening of this new depot. Obviously we brought our vehicle up for them to see and display. We wanted to display it to show that, you know, we are trying to be more sustainable and put that forward to everybody. You know, we've spoken to people from all over the world today, and we're getting feedback from them asking how we're running them and how we're going with it, and we're explaining that we're having a really good time at the moment with it.
It's been great to have lots of different customers here come to drive our new range of trucks. Obviously the FH Aero, which we launched back in the early part of 2024. We're now starting to see them on the roads in sort of bigger numbers. But good to get customers down to come and test drive them and actually get behind the wheel and take them out on the road rather than just looking at them as a static display. Favourite part of the day, talking to customers. It's always good to get good customers, talk about the products and actually demonstrate what we've got on offer. Yeah, so it's great to be with customers, being out and about, actually talking to people that buy our product.